Go.
Cat.
Yeah.
I.
Yeah. Call him.
I.
Keep moving it around.
I.
Move his toy.
Tay.
Yeah. Keep moving it.
Cat.
Yeah. Call him.
Cat.
What's his name?
Cat.
Say Ollie.
I.
There he is. You see him? Go play. Go play with them. What? Is he running away from you? What is that?
Tay.
Is that his toy? Is that what you do with it?
Cat. Cat.
You gotta call him by his name, Tegan.
Cat.
Say Ollie.
I.
Yeah.
I.
Say come.
Come.
He's not coming.
Come.
He's not coming over here.
Hissy.
You wanna ride your horsey?
Fan.
What?
Fan.
No, that's the light that Pop took out to put the fan in. No, don't touchy. Tegan, no. Oh, no.